This was the book that changed everything for us. I always say you're one book away from your life changing. This was that one book. I was asked to create a book using Dibley's guided book flow system before it had a name, right? He's like, can you use this thing we're building to make a book? I was like, I can try. And I tried. That book has made me. It took me 7 to 10 days to create this book. So let me go through the data. It's all 3 formats: hardcover, paperback, ebook. Price point is $21.95. I make $9.75 per royalty. Pages, 144 pages. So listen, if you want metrics to shoot for, those are the metrics to shoot for. Right around 140 pages, $21 price point, $10 royalty. Like, that's what you want to aim for your nonfiction, high content books. That is printing money if you can hit those metrics. It took 7 to 10 days to create this book. That's it, using Dibley's pre-guided book flow. This book has generated $79,271. $30,000 has been spent on ads for a gross, or for a net total of $48,639. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Conversion rate of 10.84 with 40,000 ad clicks, 4,400 ad orders. ROI on ad spend is 158.8%. This book started working immediately. So unlike Cherry Yoga that just kind of remained blah, unlike the coloring books that took a year or so to get going, this book was instant and it was crazy. Part of the reason is I just saw a hole in the market and I filled it right away. And this was a niche I didn't even understand was a thing. I was so removed. Like, I'm closer to Cherry Yoga for seniors than I am with this current niche. Like, that's how removed I am from it. But being said that, it's a smaller niche and it has higher margin. So it made it much easier to learn ads versus when I was trying to play in Cherry Yoga in a massive space. So if you want to get really good at ads, make sure your books are in a smaller niche and you have higher margins, because it allows you to make more mistakes and allows you to see the growth so much faster. This was the book that taught me how to become an expert at ads. It was this book. It was just awesome. What do you do as soon as you see a book that's starting to take off? What do you do with it? You double down and you publish another one in the exact same niche. And that's exactly what I did. I took the exact same keyword and I published a new book on it, and I just added a different angle to it, right? Now, unfortunately, that book ended up getting blocked when it was at its peak. It was doing like $2,000 a month. Amazon blocked it because they said it looks too much like another book. And I was like, spent $8,000 with lawyers fighting it. I lost, whatever, published another book. Same niche, different angle.